Hello from Conversion Pipeline. Today we're going to go through a problem that some people encounter from time to time and need a quick fix. So you're looking at a Google Analytics screen with a bunch of flat lines and nothing reporting. That's no good. So we have a client that came to us with a fancy brand new website. If you need a massage in Northern Virginia for some sports therapeutics or something like that, I can hook you up. Contact us if you need help with that. Now, this is a client that came to us with a new website and they didn't hook up their analytics when they launched the website, so it's just flatlining. So what we've got is just Google Analytics showing nothing. What I'm going to do is show you how to get this running so that data is flowing and you can actually see something. And then over the next couple of weeks or so, we're going to migrate them to Google Analytics 4 and show you how to really properly get this installed with Google Tag Manager. But for now, we just need to get the Google Tag installed back on this site so that we can get some good data flowing. So you can see I'm logged into the Google Analytics account already, and I'm just going to go to the lower left corner and hit admin, and that's going to open up the various account view and properties and go to tracking info and tracking code. And here's the script that Google wants you to install. So you don't have to know coding or anything like that to install this tracking code. You can do it yourself. It's not hard to do. So just copy the code. This is the global site tag. So we're going to migrate off of Universal Analytics here shortly to Google Analytics 4. But for now, we'll just show you how to get this done. So just copy that. Just get it on your clipboard. And then we're going to go over to the admin side of the website. So I'm in the back end of the website. And the way I'm going to show you how to do this is really simple and really easy. If you crash your site, you need to know how to restore it from backup. We wholeheartedly recommend WP Engine for our clients because it's super easy to do a backup from your hosting account. So that's something for another day. Just be well aware that if you break something on your WordPress site, you need to be able to restore it from backup quickly and know how to do it, or have somebody on hand who knows how to do it before you start monkeying around with the theme files. So in most cases, tell people not to go into their theme file editor. There are definitely better ways to do this, but this is a quick, easy way to get it done. So I went to Appearance and then Theme File Editor, and it defaults you to your main style sheet, your style.css. And then if you look at the analytics where it gives you the code, it tells you that it wants this in the head section of every page you want to track. So over here, we're just going to scroll down the right rail here and look for the theme header. It's the header.php file. Click on it, and you can see, again, you don't need to know coding to do this. You just need to know what to look for. So here is the opening tag for the head section, and here is the closing tag for the head section. All you have to do is get that little snippet of code from back over here in Analytics, this code right here, into the head section. So you want to make sure that you don't mess up any of the existing tags. So I just put my cursor here and did a hard return. There's my blinking cursor. And I already have this on my clipboard, so I'm just going to just paste that right in there. So you can see here is the start of the tag, and here is the end, that ending script. And I'll just get rid of the extraneous space, and I'll update the file. So before somebody who knows HTML or knows WordPress comes yelling at me, we do not necessarily recommend you modifying theme files directly in a production site. I'm doing this because I know the site, I'm comfortable doing it, and I know that I can restore in 1 or 2 clicks through WP Engine really easily. Like I said, all the proper caveats and cautions with that. We'll also show you how to do this with a plugin that makes things a little bit easier. That's it. It is done. The file was updated successfully. You can go over to another browser, maybe dump your cache and load the page a couple of times to make sure you didn't break anything. And here's something else we can do. Let me reload Chrome, and we'll take a look at the site and see if the site is firing right away. So over in Chrome, I'll go to the website. And I'm going to use this little extension. You can get it. It's called the Google Tag Assistant. It's right here. So click that and then hit enable, and then just reload the page in your browser. Now go back to your extensions and click Tag Assistant again, and you can see your global site tag with a little green smiley face and your analytics UA number, your Universal Analytics number. So it's firing and it's firing properly. So that's what gives us that confirmation. Now all we got to do is wait. Now that the tag is successfully installed, we'll be able to start seeing data come into Google Analytics. It'll start populating and we'll get some actionable intelligence on our website. Hope this helps.